Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S580 4MATIC. This is a beautiful car, the white exterior and a gray and black interior. Panoramic sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and S580 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Memory seats. Rear seats. Look at that sunroof. These are retractable door handles, pretty cool. Once the car is locked, those actually retract into the body. All right, mileage on this vehicle, 4,269. See this customizable ambient lighting, very fun. Push button ignition. And navigation system, radio. Backup camera has that above view as well. It's very, very helpful. Center console, climate's built into the display here as well. Very beautiful car, full of features. If you would like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.